Hello, welcome to this video tutorial. In this video tutorial, I'll walk you through how you can add products to your virtual tour. Okay, adding products to your virtual tour using the Video Tours 360 is pretty simple and straightforward. Now, you need to have the image of the products you want to add and also the description and title for the product you want to add. Now, let me show you how to get this done quickly. Now, to this virtual tour we have here, I want to add a quick accessory product to my tour. So I come from the left hand menu and I drag the product hotspot and I drop it here. I put the product name and description. Once I'm done inputting the product name and description, next is to upload the product. And I just uploaded the product. Hit the continue button. Now Video Tours 360 actually makes this a little bit more interesting, as you could add the product price, and also a promo price for this product at the same time. You can also add a countdown timer. Here you select timer date and the time for the timer. Once you're done, hit the done button. You could also redirect to an external URL, or you add your own inbuilt, or you connect your own inbuilt payment gateway. You could connect your PayPal, Stripe, and even Paystack. For the sake of the tutorial, I'd prefer to just use a link. Customize the text button and also add animation to your product. And you could do this for as many products as you want in your store. Once you're done with that, just go ahead and save. Once you've saved your product that you just added, now we can preview. Okay, there you go. So we can just go ahead and check the product. You see the countdown timer. It's already creating scarcity. Here is the product. Now, like if I click this button, it goes to the external link that I selected. So that's it for adding the product to your virtual tours using Video Tours 360. Thank you for watching this video tutorial. See you in the next video tutorial.